Script for Realme P1 Pro 2025. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Realme P1 Pro, one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2025. Packed with powerful features, a sleek design, and impressive performance, this phone is making waves in the market. Let's break it down. Starting with the exterior, the Realme P1 Pro sports a premium glass back with an aluminum frame, giving it a flagship-like feel. It comes in bold color options with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The phone is slim and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. On the front, there's a stunning curved OLED display with super thin bezels, offering an immersive viewing experience. Speaking of the display, it features a high refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming buttery smooth. The brightness levels are excellent, ensuring great visibility even under direct sunlight. The in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and responsive, adding to the seamless user experience. Under the hood, the Realme P1 Pro is powered by a next-gen chipset, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming. It's paired with ample RAM and fast storage, allowing apps to load quickly and run efficiently. The battery life is impressive, lasting a full day with heavy usage. And when you do need a recharge, the ultra-fast charging technology gets you back to full power in no time. On the camera front, the Realme P1 Pro boasts a high-resolution primary sensor that captures sharp and vibrant images. The ultra-wide lens is great for landscape shots, and the dedicated macro sensor lets you take detailed close-ups. The AI enhancements improve low-light photography, making night shots clearer and more detailed. On the front, the selfie camera delivers crisp photos and supports advanced portrait modes for that perfect social media shot. The software experience is smooth, running on the latest version of Realme UI with a clean and customizable interface. There are plenty of smart features that enhance usability without unnecessary bloatware. Gaming performance is top-notch with advanced cooling technology that keeps the phone from overheating during long sessions. In conclusion, the Realme P1 Pro is a well-rounded smartphone that delivers flagship-level features at a competitive price. It excels in design, performance, camera capabilities, and battery life, making it a solid choice for those looking for a premium experience without breaking the bank. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.